Elephant. Elephant, what color of the elephant?
One.
Black. How about this?
Orange.
Uy, what is this?
Fish.
Very nice, so good. This one, letter
A.
A for
Apple.
very good. How about this one? What letter of this?
B.
B. What the meaning of B?
Ball.
Very good. What the color of ball?
Marunong ka na ha? Sino nagsabi?
Very good. That's orange. How about this one? Who is this?
Cat.
Alam mo yan ha?
Cat. Cat for
C.
C. What the color of cat?
Orange.
Very nice. How about this one? What letter of this?
D.
D. Very good. What the meaning of D?
Dog.
Dog. What the color of dog?
Wow.
Very nice. How about this one? What letter of this?
E.
E. E for
Sebastian.
elephant. Very nice. What the color of elephant?
Black.
Black. That's good. How about this? What letter of this?
F.
F. Very nice. What the meaning of F?
Fish.
Very good. What the color of fish?
Orange.
Very nice. Give me 5. Very good. In other language. Very good. Excellent. Oh, what is this? What letter of this?
G.
G. G for
Grape.
grapes. What the color of grapes?
Green.
Very nice. How about this one? What letter of this?
A.
H. What the meaning of H? Hen.
Head.
What the color of hen?
So many colors.
Brown. What the letter of this one?
A.
I. What the meaning of I?
Ice cream.
Yay, ice cream. Yummy ice cream. Do you like an ice cream?
Yellow. P. Yellow.
Wow, so nice. Do you like ice cream? You buy ice cream outside? You go buy ice cream outside?
Say, let's go Lolo. Let's buy ice cream.
Yeah.
So,
You go buy outside ice cream. Go. Get your hat.